In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a fuel filler neck on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located on the side of the vehicle, behind the fuel door. Let's get started. Open the fuel door. Using a 7mm socket, remove the 3 screws. Using an 8mm socket, loosen the clamp for the filler neck. Slide that clamp back. I'm going to break that hose free and make sure it can wiggle on my filler neck. We have a clip right here. You have to pinch the 2 and push up, and that'll unlock that clip. Remove the hose off of the filler neck. We're going to cut the tape that holds that hose on. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the ground strap. Remove the bolt. We're going to push our fuel filler neck into the hose farther until we're able to pull it down and clear where it mounts to. Remove the filler neck from the hose. Make sure the clamp stays with it. Install the filler neck. Push it up into place. Get your clamp over it. Snug the clamp down. Torque the clamp to 24 inch-pounds. Line up the fuel filler neck bolts and get them started by hand. Line up and install all of the bolts. Get them nice and snug. Close the fuel door. Grab your ground strap and install the bolt through it. And install it. Snug the bolt down. Install the line onto the filler neck. And close the clamp. Give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.